In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the capacity on your whole organization. From the home screen, you can go to the main menu and then choose Capacity and Resource Allocation, and you'll be taken to the Resource and Capacity Allocation home. From here, you can see how busy your organization is for the next 3 months. The top line is your total available hours, and the bottom bars are how many hours each resource type is busy by. You can see this orange color here is the unassigned resource type. So if you had everybody in the correct resource types, they'll show up here. Then the next area is you'll see the busiest people and then the least busy people. You can then run an entire portfolio report real easily. Just click entire portfolio by week, and you'll be taken to the capacity of everybody in the organization for the next 12 weeks or so. This report that you see here can be tailored any way you want. You can roll this up by department, by resource type, by different aspects of people. By default, it'll show up collapsed like this, and you can see that the Brett Favre is really busy this September 10th. And then Craig Young is a little bit over for these several weeks. We can open that up and see why, and you can see which projects they're on and why are they over. And then you can see here as well, like 16 hours on this one project, and then he's allocated here for 35 hours on this top-down project. What's really cool is you can actually edit these values right from here. Maybe we want to reassign this. You can edit them by just clicking on here, or you can reassign this 16 hours, and let me move it up to Adam Lewis there. And by moving that task to Adam Lewis, I have lowered Craig Young in that week, and now he's no longer over allocated. That's how easy it is to balance your resources in Project Insight and check your total capacity. From this report, you can, like I was saying before, you can edit these values, you can edit the task, you can drag and drop, you can check who's assigned to which part of the projects, and balance all your people this way. One other thing about this report is it can be filtered by department and by resource type and other aspects of that you want to, any other aspect that you need to filter this by.